Wiyakima mwanchwa ligereri chinsa nibere chia bana marago bari tukeliga lia lero lia Jumamosi chitalikinya chomotyenyi omotangani goze Januari mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2025 chingaki amange nsemo ao ime na isiku ya gusi nabo go chingaki botani ao abaibuli alimu abarokigwa baganda kwerobelia ase emerobeli yogo chaka omwaka onde bwechimi gose academic year omwaka chitaliki isana nemo lituko lirabelia Jumatatu ozamutukabere okakorwa nechingakia serikali nyaraka bage kobwatoka oroboti rokwana kiabuna chisukuru nigo chachi kuiguru lituko lya Jumatatu chitaliki isana nemo yunayanda mange ninjiko nyaraka bage nkokomanyia omwanchwa omurigereri karibu ase ekionga weekend lituko lya lero chenigongoro kwa Haruni Ototo nyangiri tubwaterane goika omwalio Mwanchumo ligereri nigo togo chaka kurwa ase ensemo iyama ayo nyaraka bakwana kiwali tukolia lero egeti gesukuru iyaba munda ya kadno otunga mosocho Kenya gusara wa monekyo Kenya ayo anyaraka bakwana kiwa chinsamecho asa nyaraka bakakura wa president Bikyombe Athletics Kenya Jack Tuwel uyu nyaraka bakwana kibuna ninge merobel yonsi yegendere kwene kiabuna en sector ye chikosoli konyara koba gikokina naboigo aba bosoria ao kuba muno abamenyeki kwenyorera engeri yabo kurwase emirimo yabo yabotambe robot yoruo ligorwaleganigwa no mulikito Morini Siango
Tuko rero nigo maminyoko a Kenya yomanyikanta Athletics Kenya korekana imegeti gesukuru yaba muri akadno tunga hiyo rasense moya musucha sentunda ya gatanu na rimo
Kitutu Chache ambapo ni Kisii County. Mbio hii inaendelea ambapo tunasema ni 6 km under 20. Kumbuka mashindano haya
abanyangongo au kurwa sense ya Kenya ama na South Sudan baikira negati yo monyoke yatakurwa sorgongo rwa gusiyo yumanyikante buna Mary Mora nigo boigo monyakero go maminyoko ase region ya Nyanza South uyo manyikante buna Peter Angwenye ya nyarako bagakoro kyo koko nene asate babuna nigo mamerani onsi yejuri jono sara cyo korekana ase egeti ekyo gya Cardinal Otunga Musocho magwa yo kwegwali bagano mo principal bweskuru yo yabamara ya Cardinal Otunga bo
want to make a number of requests, Mr. President, that we make this an annual event. Thank you very much and welcome.
Nigo omurai wa maminyoko imense ya Kenya no mokonyo yabaikira na sama merani ayo asumurai yo monene uyu manyikante buna Jack Tuwel arugo kulero konene kuchesa abantu bonsi bali aba gutumeka chinchera cyobokora na gutumeka masakara yobokora eliko elikia sate banigo barachegwa ko isiko sama merani ayo kero barachegwa nyoro gose barachegwa shugulikero.
It's about the young talents or the young athletes, the young runners below 20. Yesterday, when we were going through the documentation here and so forth and so on, we still identified a few who do not have the correct documentation. And it is impossible for you to run if you are going to have different documents in terms of who you are, what you are, and so forth and so on. And this is called age cheating. Now, those of you who want to continue with this kind of thing, I can assure you with you.
Nigo kegima abuli abantu bonsi konyara koba maisokero ya ikiritinga kicho kwelikia asate banigo ebwandete abantu kwelikia litukeli mogose amatukabere magayeli tukoli ya mamerani yo koikerana.
The rule requires that everybody who is going to run must register a day or 2 days before the event, not during the day of the event. So let us get it right. Let us get it right. Nobody, no athlete will be allowed to run if he or she has not registered a day or 2 days before. You will not be allowed to run when you have not registered. So let's get it right, because I know there are a few teams and individuals who have been disqualified because they did not register.
Nabo igo kurwa sensemo y'abasubati y'eki kilomita 10 nigo musubati Gladys kwambuka kurwa Sorgongo rwa gusienyorero bubuibwa ya saira libagali ya gatatu nabo igasoro kyako kiwo kwa ina ngote abuna nigo kegimara chiko yaligania guchikoswa samameranio aliarobeirie a Tokyo.
Nimeshukuru sana kwa kumaliza nambari ya 3. Leo haijakuwa rahisi lakini
Biamono kigema muri keito muri nisiango sarobotero senjira yobo kiran to ter nayo nigo abamenyi bekiza mu chia keumbo babwatano bwoba magiga yumuriro gwateka na gusamba emitambo ye kambani ya Safaricom gusuko bwa mono master ya Safaricom eyore chinsa mu chia keumbo gakwanekia egakorekyo omu kambi bwe location yejo dense bikeri nigatamuna abananchi n'abamenye chinza nigo babwatera na kolimyo muriro yo asebanya bagakonya utareka kuba gogosalia ebinibe nyinge gwetanie eyo yaika gosarika.
Aya samarieta ankoro kwa Dennis Bikeri mo chief of Kiumbu location. Karachiali nganga saa 10 kana gitaka 20 ga morero monene na bobwate Safaricom master moroje go ha housing shelter yae moino bana area house tiemerande ni connection ere bwate post house na network morero monene bo soka igoro twayorigere igoro twachaka koligi community policing magaka be inyoro kya township naba Samaria baya nabo bacha batokonya elinde moleroria bacha kutuletera maji na bintu binde iga elinde moleroria bayokanye lakini nabo batema sana lakini karaba gendrete wake report wajaze Kisii County Fire Brigade today nabo ba respond very fast nabo bacha in time lakini by the time bagoja moleroria ngese housing shelter ime kagera korokana indication chiko ranga aida chiwaya chiria konya romorero imosali into ne vinga bya salekire mali lakini obuya ondo tayomia na vitu vingine bya bya saleka gose ondo ndaumia during rescue lakini she house ni shelter inte vinga na obiyaje so ntate gwakira abantu ba Kiumbu ngambi ya mono kagera na ba respond very fast oya maji na gokonyo mulero Fire Brigade Kisii County around amba kire bumoni asobo kolegas abantu baite kare muchando uno yo kubwatire ari gutakana kubwatira lindo muchando yo obo moketo go konyora ngusalire binte binge ya millions of money nima tena ene booster igana na kantaga sinini na gechi besa lakini obuyambo linga ebinte binge biko konyaka bikiri gosali so ikerago ganda ya abantu bamendo ngambi ya mono muchanda no tobwata
na boigo omunyakerogo bwe kamati yobochenu asekobegaligia Council of Governors omoske mudominjuki boigore omugavana bwe county ya Tharaka Nithi riganyaka bagakuboria bakoreri bonsi bobochenu kobwa mono chinyagitari a oimeansi ya Kenya kwani kibuna amariogo alie abwango gose emergency ngotokare atinyagitari chonsi elikwani kibuna abantu ngonyara bare obobwenia chinga kibabwate okugania.
Dr. Nduraku utafuta mimi madawa ya conditions bwana Nduraku izikose hospitali zetu. Singependa kusikia kuna dawa imekosa ya diabetes kwa kliniki zetu. Singependa kusikia kuna mama ameenda kwa kliniki yetu akaambiwa hakuna dawa ya high blood pressure. Ikuwe available, azitaka kujua nani atalipa, wapewe tuongenge mambo ya malipo baadaye. But let's not have our people dying out of desperation ati kwa sababu tumeweka dawa pale Chuka without knowing that we have conditions that cannot wait.
Naboigo omwanjwa omurigereri kogendera amone chingwana mune bikore byogocherera kwabasai bigendete kwanekiwa se chinsemo ao ime yensi ya Kenya nigo ebirengereri ao bigendete korwegwa igoro yegekorekyo ase egati yabarai ritukoria rero banyaka bagokwanira egetambukirekyo na korwa gona kugenda komochia serikali yomurai bwense omosike William Samoei Ruto abakwani abo bakoragwa amo noyo kabeire omo wasiri boborendi wase defense omosike wa Marwa wiboigore omurai bw'ekiama gia oliboigo omurai bw'ekiama kia DAP Kenya niganya kabaga komochia omurai bwense na gotabuna nigo abwenderete gotenenia emeroberio yogose bikole byo rimorioka na kwandikibuna abasae komenya bali no murembe na kugendera nemeroberi yabo tambe igagosariri gotebabuna onye emeroberio yogose onye bitambukire bimbiri ko chekonyara kaba bikoimukwa byo kwandikibuna ebikole byanyaka bigotigwa gotibiko kyanigwa nigo barachikoimukie gitambukiro na gukora kurobekana asamo tukabwangoiga na kumbetereria omurai bwense omosike William Ruto gotiga no ene miremo.
Sasa mnajua abduction hiyo ilikuwa inafanya siku za zamani. Ile mambo ilikuwa inafanya siku za zamani wakati kina Tede ni Kimathi walikuwa wanapigana. Sasa mkianza kuabduct watu, mnaabduct watu, mnawapeleka wapi? Wamefanya kitu gani? Wale watu wanafanya mambo ya abduction, that's a criminal offense. Tunaomba polisi ambao wanahusika, tunaomba vyombo ambavyo vinahusika. Mambo ya abduction hapa ni mambo ya criminal activities, na wale wanaohusika washikwe, washtakiwe kulingana na mujibu wa sheria wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Vijana hawa waliweza kusimama na wewe na ulikuwa darling wa vijana, darling wa hustlers. Ni nini kilichofanyika kiasi kwamba mahustlers kwa hivi sasa hawakutaki? Kindly sit down and ask yourself, where did the rain start beating you? Tafadhali, vile ulivyotuahidi kwamba hatutakuwa na abductions, hatutakuwa na mauaji ya kiholela, tafadhali komesha haya maneno ya abduction, na wale ambao wamehusika moja kwa moja kwa abduct vijana hawa waweze kukamatwa na kufunguliwa mashtaka. Ningelipenda kuomba kwamba Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, maisha yamekuwa magumu sana. Mahaslas hapa vile unavyowaona vile wamekaa hivi, hawana hela mfukoni. Taxation over taxation imechukua pesa zao na kuzitoa kwenye mifuko. Tafadhali, mwaka ambao tumeingia huu wa 2025, vile ulivyotuahidi, hebu tukaone serikali yako ikiwa ni serikali ya mama mboga na serikali ya bodaboda, vile vile ikiwa serikali ya hasla.
Lazima tuweke mikakati, tutafutie vijana wetu kazi. Kiwanda cha Pani Paper, that was the only paper mill in Africa, ilikufa na viongozi wetu wako tu pale. Ndio mimi nasema viongozi wetu wa Bungoma, they are letting us down. They are letting us down completely. Hamwezi kuona kiwanda cha Nzoia kinakufa. Hamwezi kuona kiwanda cha Pani Paper kinakufa. Hamwezi kuona kahawia kinakufa. Hamwezi kuona Kitinde kinakufa, na nyinyi mko hapo na mnasema tuko sawa sawa. Haiwezekani.
Post bad governance, you are a freedom. Na ndio maana yake tumekuja hapa. Na sisi tunataka kusema hivi. Hapa nchi ya Kenya tuko hapa by right. Na katiba imetupatia uhuru wa kuzungumza na kuongea. Na Ketu Warigoro amesema, wewe Kasongo, ulipokuwa unamtukana Uhuru Kenyatta, alikuteka nyara? Alitekwa nyara? Wewe Ishongwa, ulikuwa unatukana Uhuru Kenyatta, alikuteka nyara? Kwa nini unateka watoto wetu nyara? Na hii tabia lazima ikome, na ikome in the name of. Na tunapomalizia tuseme hivi, hii uhuru tunayozungumzia siku hizi tulimwagia damu. So we are so painful when we see the country being led in the wrong direction.
William Samoei Arap Ruto. Haya ndio tumesema. Kwa hiyo orodha ambayo Ruto amewekwa haileti heshima kwa taifa letu. Na ndio sababu tunasema usipokomesha mambo ya abduction, mambo ya corruption na wizi, we are going to say from the 8th that Ruto must go, and we'll all come out to call for your resignation. Sababu wale marais wenzako kwa hiyo orodha, akiwemo yule wa Syria, sasa sio rais tena, alitimuliwa. Akiwemo rais wa Bangladesh, prime minister sio kiongozi wa nchi tena, alitimuliwa. Kwa hivyo inaonyesha kwamba ni wewe tu umechelewa usipowacha yale maovu unatendea wa Kenya. Haya ndio kuanzia wiki ijayo we'll say enough is enough. Asante kuhimiza yale ambayo naibu wa rais wa pili wa Jamhuri ya Kenya Mheshimiwa Rigiji amesema hapa Embu siku ya leo. Ni jukumu la serikali kulinda maisha na mali ya raia wake. Na hiyo serikali inaongozwa na none other than William Samoei Ruto. The buck stops with William Ruto. The buck stops with the IG of police. Kwa hivyo hawezi, wakati tumesema stop the abductions, yeye amesema kwanza hakuna abductions in Kenya. Huo ndio uongo wa kwanza alisema. Na aliambia dunia nzima that there are no abductions in Kenya. Juzi akiwa Homa Bay amekubali ya kwamba utekaji nyara uko, lakini amesema ata release hawa vijana. Na tangu waseme uongo wa tatu ni kwamba wiki moja baada ya kusema vijana hawajawacha.
Mwanjumu rigereria nigo togenda tene kionga weekend chinsa ibere kuri nigo toganda mutimuko mukego togerana togadire kumanya amange uzaganda kobagania komamanya amange kuri ndego kwenyuria tu ritukuria rero nigo togujwa kwanira igoro yo kwigorwa gwe skuru asesema mwali kionga chinsa ibere asoguri kunyaka batoko ba negatia bali mugosaba bali mbere mwalimu Dennis Rogito ndaboigo mwalimu Geoffrey Mairura nyaka batoko rigereria Mero Johnson igoro yo kwigorwa gwe skuru kobwa mono CPC ngoikere gose aba CPC ngoswa bare grade 9 mirobere neria rode serikali abaye kurasa nama ya bali mu nebirengera byabo mbire bigo tosuka gochiare kwerana tole tonyaka batokana nensemo yakabere kionga chinsa ibere litangandike gima ngogotiga ase amagokaye ensemendi studio amagokaye omugako cyo nyambasora wa obasami wa gatema.
Gitimba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education, expansive playgrounds to nurture co-curricular talents, a safe, modern boarding facility ministry compliant, reliable modern transport services for every learner. The 2025 intake and admissions are now ongoing. Hurry and secure a space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka highway. Call us on 078-089-4411 or 0728-722-255. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Gitimba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Karibunando mwanjumu ligere togandira ne kionga chinsa ibere akorwa ase county ya Mombasa nigo igati ya barokigwa kurwa ase skuru ya Technical University of Kenya banyaka bakorwa ko gosereri go chia serikali buna tena ko bakwimukika tambukiro na ko bwatoka abasaye bonsi bali banyaka bagochererwa gosena kwanekia ase bagotoka gose okobera kwabo nigo barachiko nyaraka bagokora okurobekana goikali tukure Jumatatu nigo baburirie serikali kwana kebuna ebikole brebyo kunyaraka babire bigokeanigwa.
We would like to stand in solidarity with our comrades who are lost, because an injury to one comrade is an injury to us all. We demand the release of our comrades unconditionally, and we are giving the government an ultimatum of 24 hours, or on Monday we shall be on the street to demonstrate for the release of our comrades. May God bless Kenya, God bless us. Thank you.
First and foremost, I'm Justus Omoso, a student at Technical University of Mombasa. I want to condemn the recent act that is going on and being practiced by the government of Kenya. It cannot happen that a Kenyan youth cannot give out his grievances. The act of abduction should end, and we are giving an ultimatum that is 24 hours before the release of all abductees unconditionally. Monday is the day, and we'll be there on the streets to speak on their behalf. Kenya is being governed by a constitution that we were granted in 2010. And the constitution clearly states that any detention without reasonable act is termed as an abduction and false disappearance. We demand for all abductees to be represented to court, and the law shall follow. Thank you very much, and let's meet on the streets if the case failed to appear.
Comrades power. Comrades viva. Comrades release. My name is Joseph Olo, the president of the Technical University of Mombasa Students Association. And I'm not only talking as a student leader, but I'm also talking as a concerned patriotic citizen of this nation. The heart of our nation is heavy with the cries of families and comrades searching for their loved ones. Our nation is grumbling with fear, uncertainty, and devastating effects of the ongoing abductions of young people. We shall not condemn, we shall not condone this. We condemn, and we say that the government should release all the abductees with immediate effect, without any charge, so that these guys can come back to school and have the exams. We have exams going on first from Monday, and therefore we are not going to listen. We shall not, we must not, and we cannot listen. Every name in the list of abductees is not just a statistics, is a son, is a daughter, is a friend, and is a comrade somewhere. Comrades viva. Comrades vivia. We are giving the government up to Sunday evening, failure to which on Monday we shall be in the street.
Manju moligere togo sabo kwabira soro botoruru achira sembe oro gotabanga nigo ere University ya Technical University of Kenya kurende nigere University ya Technical University of Mombasa na abo na aborokigwa talia aborokia bo banyara ko na abo na aborokigwa University ya Technical University of Mombasa togotikana na yumo Manju moligere kubatikana amo nechingwa na chia Raibu bange ase bunge omosike Kimani Ichung'wah ari ase chinsemo cha Bungoma kwa mono asomo igabo kumweni mamo mwabo omospika bwe senate musike musimasika Wetangula nigo abarai bekiama giadi P Kenya kere kiama kiaye ase wose asomo governor we county ya Trans Nzoia are oyomo wosomo bwatanibwe kiamekyo nigabanya kwa bagwesokere tukulia lero na komochia na kumurage biara omurayo bwa bange musike Kimani Ichung'wah kubatkana amune chingwana echanya takaba kwa na kiali tukuligoro nigobo igo bagosere go chikumuke bitambogero kwa na kiamuna chingwara mnechio tijiriko chikogenderera na igo banyaka bakomochia na kumugania kosoa kwa na kiamuna oikirio bosaiti kwa bwatakana amonali anya takaba kwana igoro yomo governor we county ya Trans Nzoia umusike George Natembea.
If you talk about the man who tried to lecture our governor, huyu Kimani Ichung'wah, we know Kimani Ichung'wah very well, and you also know that he cannot address a rally even in his own Kikuyu constituency. Yes. You are also aware that his house was banned when he voted yes for the Finance Bill 2023 and the one of 2024. Yes. You are aware that he is only found in Nairobi in State House or anywhere outside Nairobi with the president, but he cannot move alone. Yes. Even to Mount Kenya region, he cannot move to Kiambu and address a rally. Alafu anakuja hapa Bungoma kutusi watu viongozi wa hapa Western. We cannot allow that, and we are warning him. Tulifanya heshima, tungemngojea, tulikuwa matanga ya mama yetu, mama ya speaker. Yes. We are warning huyu Kimani Ichung'wah asijaribu kuleta hiyo ujinga ako nayo hapa Western region. Yes. Kama viongozi, we are not going to sit back and watch mtu atoke nje kufanya matusi kwa governor Natembea. Yes. Na tutaendelea kusimama na yeye. We are going to issue another statement in Nairobi with our partners, coalition partners. Mnajua we are at the moment working towards a coalition, and we'll be coming up with a comprehensive statement from coalition partners and ourselves. Finally, Kimani Ichung'wah is the leader of minority. Leader of majority. Sorry. Kimani Ichung'wah is leader. In fact, he should be minority.
Because they stole the majority.
Okay, he's the leader of majority, a leader in parliament. What is his mandate? Does his mandate include kutembea Kenya mzima akitusi watu? Or he's supposed to be concentrating on leading government business in parliament and transacting legislation in parliament for the government? Instead of doing that, which is part of his mandate, anatembea kila mahali Kenya akituzi watu.
Mtu kama Waluke anapoongea ati watu wetu wanakuwa adopted wenyewe. Sasa tunalia watu wetu wanauawa. Wengine wamama hatujui wako wapi, tunafunga mkanda usiku na mchana. Alafu anarudi kusema tu watu wanakuwa adopted wenyewe. Tunaona hakuwa na heshima na hiyo matanga ya huyo mama. Hiyo matanga haikuwa na heshima, ilikuwa ya siasa, haikuwa matanga. Sababu hata
the then NIS bosses left office, yet these atrocities continue. Who was in that administration of Jubilee and is in the current administration and was in a vantage position to continue these atrocities from Jubilee to Kenya Kwanza, and now broad-based kakistocracies? Kenyans should look no further for the perpetrators of these atrocities. Remember the mambo.
Munjumu ligero ligo ikirabu na tokolera ekeonga weekend chinsa ibere kolende nikongo gotiga ana omorobeli okorgunga omobulera koleto simule na Lucas Mogaka nche nikongo kwaro ni ototo nyangiri korwa asensemeli yemanyirilio nigakorwa fira kariri kwera kekere mutwe nyakabato kwana etokotwale nkwana masayamo na amwalimu Dennis Rogito na bayigo mwalimu Geoffrey Mairura nyakabato koligero ligoro emirobeli yonsi yokwigoro weskuru igo tosko cyal magaye kamera nigakorwa Lucas Mogaka.
Amangana ni gakongeta ayo muskeruto engero nirege ya kasongo ne gwege ntogete aronye maete kasongo yeye mobali nangai kasongo ngana weho Abakenya ni go bakare goteba nka ebintu mbiri buya ebintu ebikongete.
Must stop this nonsense. Ama magani jameni.
Ebintu ebisambete.
Bill Gates anazunguka huko akidunga ng'ombe ya watu ati kwa sababu ng'ombe na nyamba. Si endelee kwa nyamba. Mimi ladama nikidungwa sindano na nisiponyamba sindakufa.
Abuna kongo. Ayo mosiko soro njua. Gose bako mosiko soro kumirie. Aye wakumia.
Si ni kitu ya maana.
Kwa hivyo hii maneno ya imetoka kwa Bill Gates, sijui ingine tutadunga ng'ombe zetu ziwache kunyamba.
Aye wakumia. Lakini bono amangana yigana maine
ridiculous things. Ati hii chanjo ati ng'ombe itakosa kunyamba. Sasa mimi nauliza jameni. Kwani sisi wote ambao sisi tumekuwa vaccinated kuna mtu amekosa kunyamba kwa sababu alikuwa vaccinated?
Ayo musikunyonga nki.
Hatutakubali.
Nkinongoteba. Kai tata.
Hatutakubali.
Tomwe breki. Musikunyongo kanji. Musikunyongo tebenga no te ko jarekana. Okay, sawa mwima. Mumu kaniri.
Wachana na ng'ombe hii inakimbia kama risasi.
Ng'ombe sasa ng'ombe nani?
Ikipatana na mwizi inasaidia mwizi kwa kukimbia.
Inkyo kagirite kiabeire ebintu bya bachanire. Lakini bono tore na maika. Muskiruto. No moye chi promise chiao.
I will be going to Makongeni hopefully in the next maybe 3-4 weeks or 1 month to launch another 30,000 houses.
Aye gashago no igwete.
When we feel offended,
ebintu binde ngaki.
we feel bad, we keep quiet. Si ndio? Mtaendelea kunyamaza.
Kila mtu atauchukua mzigo wake mwenyewe.
timi na rukara ukari gocha bururu ikei ke inchungu rai tata nchoko rekano kubwati nchara
baba. Maisha imekuwa ngumu sana huku chini kwa wananchi. Nekaenda watoto molimo.
Nabona amanya.
Baba.
Papa dingo kale ko rangil papa ay papa incho. Obe. Papa nenchi presa bakale karamuina. Papa nenchi presa bakale guaka na chako igwe.
Oi boss.
Tao ko igubona ekara motika. Kala diga papa ra ka chi presa pu no wete de kero ngera ko limuina alia. Kirungera kulia ye karati ara ke soesi.
Madaktari wako njaa mpaka chakula ya mgonjwa wanakula.
Interinya hapa na gitari.
Madaktari wako njaa mpaka chakula ya mgonjwa wanakula.
Bonya aligiti interi kubadia. Aba na gitari kina maine. Mokuli ndagere ya baruyi. Ngibona na gitari mokuli ndagere ya baruyi. Aba na gitari mokuli ndagere ya baruyi.
Hapana, sisi wote ni Wakenya my friends. Ama namna gani?
Moskeruto, ikunugu taba nyagitari bakali kuli ndagere ya baruyi.
Hapana, sisi wote ni Wakenya my friends. Ama namna gani?
Bono akitoa ashitokolirinde.
Sema tuwe ni watu wa kufanyia na subra na kupendana na kuhurumiana wakati wote, ili kwa sababu hii dunia ni mapito tu.
Kila mtu atauchukua mzigo wake mwenyewe.
Naguikira nongo akiro musumari ngapa. Omo bure nenjuru kasmoka na chire.
Getemba Television ekeonga kia